Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another video. Today my topic is Samsung condensation dryer 8 kg dryer machine. It's not working actually at all. That's mean while we are selecting any option, within few seconds it's showing tE5 error message. We have to check what is the problem exactly. Most probably our field technicians know. The tE5 mean it is related with the lint blockage, otherwise power failure, that's mean with the control board, main control board, otherwise thermistor, also thermostat. We have to check A to Z what is the exactly problem. Now I'm going to the check-in process. I will show you how to repair this machine. We will go to the next step. Now I already given power connection. You can see, dear friends, it is drum normally rotating smoothly. Also filter, also no any blockage. It is clear. Now I already given power connection. Also water container also empty, no any water. Now I already given power connection. Here I'm selecting cupboard dry 133 minutes, and I will start the machine. Just here now it is, you can see it is only the few seconds, it's few minutes, few seconds only machine rotating. After that it's showing tE5. This is the error message which is I'm going to repair now. This one, first of all we have to check filter everything. Also here condensation box also we have to check. This one also sometime it's getting blocked, at the same time also having the same issue, but at the moment this all the things are okay. But we will remove the back of the heater cover. After that we will check thermistor and thermostat, also heater continuity, everything, and we will remove first back of the machine. Now I already disconnect the power. Now I am going to remove the heater cover here. Now I already remove all the screws. Now you can see, dear friends, it is here. It's blower, everything's okay. Now we will check first here thermistor, thermostat. Two thermostats are here. This one fusible, this one direct, and we will check this two. I will remove this first one side. And now I can check. Yeah, that thermostat is okay. Also we will remove this one also. I remove both sides. It is very tight also. Yes dear, that one also it is okay, no problem. Now we have to check this thermistor only. Now it's okay. We can take it out like that. If it is this one damaged, we have to replace thermistor. I will remove the top cover first, and we will check the harness. I will remove here. And now I can take the cover here. You can see, dear friends, here too much lints everywhere. It's too much actually. Now you can see here, this is the sensor thermistor. This thermistor we will replace and we will check. We can take the cover here. We will remove like that here. After that, I'm removing connector here. And now I already remove. I'm going to check the continuity here. It is actually, it should normally close, but if it is normally open, that's mean it is defect. Now dear friends, I'm going to check here continuity. This one you can see here, it should actually close. You can see here, it is normally open. It is open, that means this thermistor having problem. You can see here, this thermistor, NTC thermistor, this one actually it is gone, that means it's defect. Now we have to replace the thermistor. After that our problem will get resolved. Now dear friends, I already ordered new one, but the problem is it's not the same actually. I given correct part number, everything, but problem is it is not the same. It is same, but the problem is connector is some difference. This connector is small, this connector is big. Now what I can do, I have to cut here and I have to join. After that it will be okay. Now anyway, I will show you again. This one, old one, which is I'm telling defect. Again I will show you the continuity. This is already open. You can see here. You can see dear friends, it is already open. That means this is defect. It should close actually. Now you can see. Now this is the new one. I will show you. You can see it is not showing continuity. That means this is good one. Now what I can do, I have to cut here. I will cut here and I have to change the connector. This one short also harness, this one long, because of that I have to cut here. After that nothing to worry, it will come the same measurement. Now I will cut here and I will cut this one also. I will rejoin. After that I will check with the continuity, after that we will check it is whether working or not. It should work actually. This one definitely it's already got damage. Now dear friends, I will cut here. After that we can take it a little bit forward here, and also we have to clean again here. Now it's okay. Now I have to cut this one here. I will cut here. Now I can joint. Now dear friends, now we can check here. I can fix here, and I'm going to fix this one again here. Now we have to enter here. Now dear friends, now I'm going to connect thermistor, which is I cut same like that before, and I can lock also here because I have to close the duct cover. This will come like that. Now I can connect here. Now we have to keep like that because it will touch with the drum. Because of that, be careful, we have to, don't forget this harness, keep it locked always, otherwise it will touch with the drum. Now it's okay. Now I'm going to check with the power because I have to clean the machine. It's too much lines are there. It is already got stuck with the lines. Because of that, I have to clean the machine properly. Because of that, I didn't close properly. So I already given power connection. Also, I will close the condenser box also here. Otherwise, this will come. I already closed the condenser box also. Now I already given power connection. I will start the machine. As same before, I selected already cupboard drive, and we will start. Just here, it is not like before. Before it is only the few seconds, it's machine getting stopped and showing error message. Now it's not showing. Machine running. Machine will continuously. Machine will run until getting off. Now I will open the door also. Yes dear, it is heater working. No any issue. Now I have to clean the machine actually before delivery to the customer. And I will start again. Yes dear, now my job already completed. That's mean actually thermistor I ordered new one because it's not repairable. I ordered new one, but it came actually it is not the same connector. It's something difference. Also length also, the harness length also is short. Because of that I cut and join. After that only machine start work without any error message. Anyway, if you learn something while watching my channel, also this video, I'm kindly request please subscribe my channel Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.